everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another useful video where I will show you how you can hide add friend button on Facebook. So if you do not want people to add you as a friend on Facebook, I will show you how you can turn off the friend request option for you on Facebook. So let's start with the video. First of all, I will show you how my account appears to other people on Facebook. So here I am on my profile. Now I will tap the three dots given next to add to story option and then I will tap view as. So this is how my profile appears to other people on Facebook. As you can see, they can see the add friend button right here. Alright, now I will show you how you can turn it off or how you can remove the add friend option from here. Alright, so for that you have to go back and now you have to tap the three lines in the top right, and from here you directly have to go to settings. For that you can tap the settings gear icon given in the top right next to search icon, and now here in the settings and privacy section you have to scroll down under audience and visibility. First of all you need to go to how people find and contact you. Alright, here you will see who can send you friend requests. So as you can see, it is selected as everyone. If you also have selected the everyone option, you have to change it to friends of friends. So that's the first thing you need to do in your settings. Now go back and scroll down further. You will see the other option, followers and public content. So you have to tap that. Here again you need to change all the public settings to friends or only me. For example, who can follow me? If you have set it as public, you need to change it to friends. Similarly, for every other setting, you need to select either friends, or if you are given the option no one, you have to select that. So you have to make your Facebook profile completely private. No information should be shared to public. Now, if you will go back to your profile, and now if I will tap the three dots and press view as, you will see that the add friend button has completely disappeared. Now it is only showing the message option. So people now cannot directly add you as a friend, they can only message you. Alright, so that's how you do it. And that was it for today's topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, issues or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.